Hello, everybody. I'm Jessica Angel from artproject.io, a community of artists, designers, programmers, collectors, people interested in the intersection between art and blockchain. We have today here with us in our first demo, as part of Art Project 2020, the Vancouver Biennale and Art and Technology Expo. We have Natalia, who's from the Vancouver Biennale, and Jonny from Status. We're going to be testing today and making a demo of how the Status decentralized app is a great tool for artists to browse, and for collectors to browse and buy digital art. So it is a Web3 application. Jonny's going to tell you more about it. Natalia is fairly new to the crypto space, so you're going to see how easy it is actually to use this application. So I'm gonna let Natalia introduce herself, and then Jonny is gonna take it. So the floor is yours, Natalia.
Thank you, Jessica. So I'm Natalia from the Vancouver Biennale. I'm the program director here, and I'm pretty new to the crypto space. Jessica is the one who has initially introduced us to it, and we've been working with her for the past couple of years on this project. What now has become Voxel Bridge and our Project 2020 Expo. So I'm very excited to be part of this demo because I'm hoping that I will show just how easy it is and exciting.
So my name's Jonny. I work with the marketing team in Status. I've been with the project since 2017, so about 3 years now. And to be honest, like before getting involved in Status, I didn't have much of a crypto background either. So it's always fun to introduce new people to the space and kind of give them that aha moment. So Natalia, when you're ready, we can get you set up with Status account and walk you through the flow of purchasing an NFT with SuperRare and then showcasing that in your Status wallet.
Sounds good. Ready for the aha moments.
Cool. So it looks like you've already got Status installed, which is great. So you can get that in the App Store or the Play Store. It's also now available on desktop, but we're on mobile. So go ahead and open Status.
I apologize for this. Go.
Cool. So it looks like you've actually already got an account, but we're going to create a new account just so we're getting started here. So generate a new key. And here it's just some simple welcome screen. So generate keys, tap that button there. And so this basically, what it's going to do, it's creating your key pair, your chat key and your wallet key right now. And once again, Status is a privacy-centric application. Everything we do is geared around privacy and pseudonymity. So your initial profile is going to be this random 3-word name. And this is going to be how you're initially recognized in Status. And so go ahead and pick whichever one you like.
I always really love them. They're really fantastic and clever and very animal species focused. I think I will go with the starry caterpillar.
Good choice.
That's lovely. There we go.
So go ahead and create a password. And make sure you remember this password because with Status, there are no servers involved. Everything is built with peer-to-peer protocols. So we can't back up your password. So if you lose it, Status doesn't have access to it. No one has access to it. It's the beauty of peer-to-peer.
So no reset password available to me here. Let's make sure I type the same thing. Okay.
Cool. So you're going to want to enable notifications, and now you're in. So you've just created an account. You've got a chat key. You've got a wallet key, which we'll talk about later. And you may have noticed, you didn't have to enter an email address. You didn't have to enter a phone number, no bank account, none of that. It's a very private, we call it a pseudonymous platform. So Let's go. Tap on that.
All right, let's take a look.
Cool. So just a quick little introduction to the interface here. Down at the bottom, the toolbar, you've got your chat. You got your chat screen. You've got your browser, so your Web3 browser. And then you've also got your wallet, your Ethereum wallet. So this is a little prompt. This is a signing phrase. Once again, Status is all about privacy. So this is a privacy and security mechanism we've built in to prevent phishing. Basically, you'll see this little 3-word name whenever you transact, and you'll see it again soon. So click OK. And then also your profile, pretty standard. So yeah, once again, Status integrates a private messenger, a Web3 browser, and a wallet. Today, well, first we're going to start off with the messenger. So we're going to walk you through the process of purchasing an NFT, rare digital art, through the DApp browser. But the first thing you need to do is you need to get some cryptocurrency in your Status wallet, and you could do that through the messenger. So you're going to send me a message, actually. So tap on that blue button at the bottom, start new chat.
Sounds good.
And you can type in my ENS name, which is Jonny, Jonny.
There you go.
And hit go and send me a message.
There you go.
Hey there, subtle starry caterpillar. Hello.
Very subtle.
So now I'm going to send you some ETH, all via the chat interface. So I'm going to send you, let's go 0.02. Let's make sure we have enough ETH for gas, because gas fees are quite high at the moment. How much do we need here? 6, no, 2, 3. That should be fine. Send. So this is happening over the blockchain.
Okay.
So I've just requested access to your wallet.
Okay. And this is what I get. So I accept and share.
Cool. So now I'm going to sign and send the transaction. And I'm going to sign this. Okay. So right now the transaction's pending. It's using the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, all these transactions are happening on a public ledger, and it needs to be verified by what we call miners. So once that transaction is verified by at least 12 people, it's put away on a block, it's on the immutable public ledger, and then anyone can then go and reference that. So once again, it's this distributed ledger of information. That's why, sometimes the network fees are a bit higher, and the transaction's penned. But that should go through in just a second.
Okay.
And I think today the fees were a bit higher than normal.
So is there anything that contributes to the fee fluctuations?
It's usage of the network. So the more people using it, the higher the fees will be. And then there's a whole bunch of very technical stuff being done by smarter people than I to solve some of these problems. But yeah, that's some time away. So while that's pending, why don't you?
I can send you a sticker.
You can send me a sticker.
I don't have any stickers yet. Do I need to buy them? No, there is not.
There's a couple free ones in there.
Okay. There you go. There's this excellent alien cat. There you go. There you go.
Got it.
Those are very fun.
Cool. So while this transaction is pending, I can walk you through some of the other features of the messenger. So it's not only private chats, but it's public channels and group chats. Pretty standard, but if you tap on that blue button again and join a public chat.
Join a public chat. There you go.
I would join the art project community, which is led by Jessica. So type in art project.
There you go. And then go.
And here you'll see an entire community of crypto artists, NFT enthusiasts, a bunch of people, messaging, chatting, sharing their work. It's great. And Jessica manages this community, and she's done a great job of building it. It's always fun to see the chat in there.
Yeah, so I follow this on Telegram as well. So
cool.
It is. Is it mirrored? Is it copied? Is it? How does that work?
So what we've done is we've bridged the Telegram channel. So all the messages from Telegram will end up in Status. But what's great about using this with Status is a lot of times the artists and the enthusiasts are sharing links to NFTs. With Status, if you click on one of those links, it will drive you directly to the marketplace, and you can purchase it directly. And which we'll do now, but we won't do it from the chat. Okay, there you go. Looks like the transaction's confirmed. Yeah. So the next thing we'll do is tap on the browser icon down at the bottom. And this is kind of our portal into all of the decentralized applications of Ethereum. So let's open up SuperRare. So if you search dApps and type in SuperRare, there you go, tap on that.
Excellent.
So now you've got SuperRare running inside Status, and SuperRare is an NFT marketplace. It's a digital art marketplace where artists can upload their work and place a price and sell it just like any other marketplace, which is really cool. And there's a lot of really interesting pieces up here. So I believe you need to make an account on SuperRare or sign in if you already have one. All right, there you go. So you're going to want to connect your wallet. So basically, click allow. In order to access all of the Ethereum applications, you need to connect an Ethereum wallet. And once again, Status integrates both the wallet and the browser, so it makes that quite simple.
The username is already taken because that is mine. But let's just make that one just for this. There it is. I see my sign-in phrase as well.
There's your signing phrase. You know it's not a scam.
And this is my password that I used when I created the account, right?
Correct. This is your Status password. All right, you're in. So now you can browse the marketplace, find an NFT you like.
Let's see what I can afford. I decided I don't like that one. So there's all kinds of things here. I think I want one that comes after this. Nope, not that. This one. And then do I just go into buy now?
Yep, so you're gonna buy now. And you're gonna confirm the price.
There you go.
And once again, you're gonna sign that transaction. So sign with your password.
Okay.
Cool.
Excellent.
So just like our transaction, it's being now confirmed on the blockchain. And once it has 12 confirmations, it will show up in your wallet.
Excellent. Should we take a look at it on the blockchain?
Let's do that. So if you jump over into your wallet,
okay.
So now you'll see your token balance from the previous transaction. The full amount is still there, so it probably hasn't read the NFT transaction just yet. But here you'll see the various assets. So you can have Ethereum-based assets, so ETH, SNT, DAI. You can have collectibles. See the transaction went through, so click into that blue wallet there, your Status account.
Perfect. There we go.
Yep, so you got all your assets there, which is ERC20 tokens, so Ethereum cryptocurrencies. Collect the collectibles tab, which is going to be like the NFT you just bought. And then you can also see your history. But in order to display that NFT, you're going to go hit the back button in the top left, and that the three dots up in the top right, and you're going to want to manage assets.
Okay.
And you're going to search for the SuperRare tokens. So type in SUPR.
There you go.
And go ahead and add both of those.
Both of those. Perfect.
Yep.
Back to the wallet.
Back. And yep, into your collectibles.
There we go.
And there you go. It's showcasing that you own some SuperRare tokens. And if you want to actually see the NFT that you purchased, you can check your account on OpenSea.
Okay.
And so tap on that button there.
There you go. And this is all still happening inside of the browser.
Yep. So this is all happening in Status. It's asking for your MetaMask account. If you type other wallet options, tap on that, Status should come up.
Nothing comes up. Oops. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is.
And there's your NFT. You got it.
Well, that's very cool. There it is. And I can look at all kinds of things that are integrated with it, such as where it's sold, how much it's sold for, and so on and so forth. It's perfect. Yeah. Anything else you'd like us to take a look at?
So we've just walked through the flow of getting some tokens in a private channel. We've showcased the art project community and the process of purchasing an NFT. Those were kind of like the key features I wanted to walk through today. Jessica, was there anything you wanted to talk about?
No, I think it's great. I would like to invite the community to test and try it. Do you want to tell us where we can find the app? What to do if we have questions? And who to contact to learn more about it?
Totally. So you can get Status in the App Store and the Play Store. And you can find the links at Status.im, which is our website. So go there, download the app. And then, to be honest, the best place to find us is in those public channels. There's a public channel, which is just #status, and the community's in there. I'm always in there. So if you have questions, someone will be there to answer. And if you're into digital art, I would highly suggest jumping into the art project channel.
Well, thanks
great
for walking us through, and let's use the tools that are being built. These are awesome tools. So I guess the next step for us as artists to drive adoption is to actually use the tools.
Yeah, and same for collectors. So go check out SuperRare and start collecting.
Cool.
Thank you, Jonny.
Thank you so much.
Very helpful.
Of course.